beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing the Blackpink Kill This Love look by Jennie. So it's an inspired look. It's not exactly, it's close, okay? So I wanted to do this look since the video came out, and it was actually by the request of my husband that I do this video. So John, this one is for you. But yes, I had a lot of fun doing this look. If you'd like to see how I did this look, guys, please stay tuned. Alright guys, so I've already gone ahead, washed my face, primed my face, put on foundation, concealer, a little bit of contour powder, did my brows, and I applied eye primer. So remember, this is an inspired makeup tutorial. I don't have the exact colors. I'm just using what I have. So I'm going to go into the Huda Beauty new Nude palette. It is going to be darker than the video. I don't have any bright pinks. I actually looked. I have either dark pinks or like super bright aggressive pinks. So bear with me, friends. Alright. And this style for eye makeup is very different than what I usually do. And yeah, it was actually really funny because when I was younger, I actually had more of monolid on this side. This side I always had extra meat. I always had a lid on this side, but I didn't always have a lid on this side here. Used to be just one monolid, but as I got older, got more skin and such. Yeah. Alright guys, so we're gonna go into the shade Bear. I'm just gonna apply that all over the lid. I'm going to be taking a nice big fluffy brush just to get all of that product all over the lid. Alright friends, next thing I'm going to go into regular eyeshadow brush. I'm just going to go into lace first. I'm just going to apply that onto the outside and inside of my eye. Now again, with Asian makeup, it's a little different. I like to go aggressively high. I notice with this one, it's still a V, but it's not as sharp. So it goes a little bit more straight out from what I see, but you're still making that V shape. And really just take your time blending out that color, guys. So I was going to go with Tickle on top of Lace, but I'm actually going to go into Spanked. So Spanked is this pink right here, kind of burgundy-ish. I'm just going to use the same brush, and I'm just going to go right on top of Lace, lightly, just to create more depth with this look. I don't want it to be more like so one-dimensional. So for the center of the lid, oh gosh, I'm gonna go in with Crave. So this color right here. I'm just gonna use my pinky for this part. Pop that right into the center of the lid. Ooh, it's so weird not having like a crease color. I think I'm making it work. I think. Alright, and I'm just going to use a brush just to get up a little bit higher, just in case if I go too far with my finger. Ooh, alright, okay, that's not too bad. Not too bad. Alright, so next I'm just going to go onto my lower lash line. I'm going to go into a detailed brush, and I'm going to go into Spanked on the lower lash line here. Okay, making sure I connect with the top here, just so it looks more cohesive. Alright, and then for the center, I'm just going to go back into Crave. Ooh. The lower lash line. I actually want to add just a little bit more glitter there, so I'm gonna go into my Stila Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Gold Goddess. So it just looks like so. And I'm just gonna lightly dab that on the lower lash line, just a little bit. Ooh. And just for fun, I'm just gonna put some on top the lid as well, just a little bit. And for the inner corner, I'm going to go into the highlight I'm going to use. So my Anastasia Beverly Hills highlight in Amrezy. So now for the fun part, guys. I would typically use a white eyeliner, liquid liner, but I don't have one. So I'm going to use white face paint that I got from Dawn's Hobby Shop if you are in the Calgary area. It kind of looks like this. It's activated by water. So I'm going to go into a very small detailed brush. I'm going to wet it. Okay, this is my first time doing this, so we're going to see how this goes, guys. Okay, so I'm just going to lightly dab into there, circling it all the way around until it gets thick, just because I don't want this to run down my eye. I'm ready, guys. I'm not really pretty nervous right now, okay? Alright, so I'm going to try with the lower first. Okay. Oh my god. Would definitely be easier. The white liquid liner for sure, but it's not too bad right now, so okay, so that's not too bad. Alright, so I'm going to apply eyeliner, guys, off camera because my camera is actually going to die soon. So I noticed in the video, I usually do a thick ass eyeliner, so it's very thin. Okay, so I'm going to go do my liner and my lashes, and I'll be right back. Alright, guys, so I applied just a little bit of liner, some mascara, and more natural, not as aggressively long lashes, so I don't take away from that lovely white line. So I'm just going to finish off my face and the lips, and then hopefully my camera doesn't die. Ha! Alright, guys, so I applied bronzer, blush, and some highlight. I'm mainly focusing on the eyes today, so please check out my previous video for a full face tutorial. I'm going to finish up the look with MAC Pure Zen. Just a light pink lipstick. A little bit bright, so I added just a teeny bit of Dopey from ColourPop Cosmetics, and I mixed those two up, and I got this a little bit darker. But yeah, I like the eyes. The eyeliner I would do thicker because that's just for me, but otherwise I actually really like this look, guys. Alright, and this is the finished makeup look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry it was a little bit rushed. To be fair, my camera is dying, and I mainly wanted to focus on the eyes anyway. If you want a more detailed video on my full face, please go to my previous video with the JEFFREE Star Blood Sugar Palette. I did a full face makeup tutorial for that one, guys. But yes, thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Comment below if you like this look or if you tried this look, and yeah, I think that's it. Remember, you'll never succeed if you're afraid to try. Bye, guys.